Hello boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how I made this bloom or glow effect on my render using cycles. First, make sure you put an emission color and a strength higher than 1. So here I'm using EEVEE and we have this beautiful bloom or glow from the emissive material and the lights. But once we switch to cycles, we see none of it. So what we'll do is hit F12 to render. And after rendering, let's go to compositing. I always like to add a new window for the image editor and choose Viewer Node. Ctrl-Shift-click the render layers so we can see what's happening on the other window. Then Shift-A and add a glare, then plug it in. There are many types of glare to choose from, but I'm a simple person so I use a fog glow. That's all. Thanks for watching and happy blending!